Okay, so I definitely made mistakes on this side. We'll see what the repercussions of those are later. Right now I don't care. I'm just happy so far.
Before I get into it, just showing you the hairstyle that I kept in for a day whilst I was waiting to be able to do my retwist. Hi everyone, my name is Victoria, and as you know, I'm documenting my hair journey. This particular video is going to be about how I interlock my mini twist. This is the first retightening that I've ever done. 6 weeks from the day that I first started my mini locks. I've joined some of them together, and as you could probably see from some of the videos, this is my second day because it was just long and I was busy and I had stuff to do. So yeah, let me show you. Oh. So this is the side that I have retwisted or retied already. My hair is still doing this thing where it likes to grab onto itself. So I'm excited for this to lock properly because right now it's on NX2. Anywho, this is the side that I have not retwisted. And whilst you're watching me undo these twists, if you haven't done so already, please subscribe. Hit the notification bell, do all of that good stuff. Follow me on socials, JustTheRealV. Ow, I should probably take off my earrings. That would be smart. My hair is kind of fluffy because it rained on me, but I'm hoping that you can see the difference between the side that I have done the retightening on and the side that I haven't. Like the roots are proper non-existent on this side, whereas on this side it looks semi-fresh. Obviously, like I said, the rain has kind of attacked me, but it looks semi-fresh. I'm going to turn around and show you the back as well. So let's hope it looks cute. Okay, so just like yesterday, I'm going to be using water. Yes, this is water, glycerin and rose water mix. So I'm going to be using this. I've got a hairband, and I also have the tool that I was using yesterday, which is actually an interlocking tool. I think I said crochet hook before, but you could also use a crochet hook, but I prefer to use this. I've actually got a couple of these, but I don't think I'm going to need them. So if there's anyone that wants it and is willing to pay for the postage, then I've got spares that have not been used at all. Holler at me in the comment section. These are very, very sturdy, really, really good quality, completely metal, and the ends aren't sharp, so it doesn't hurt when it goes into your hair. Yeah, get at me. Right, so what I'm going to do first is section off the part that I've done already. It's got some... I might actually have to try braid out soon because this twist that I did is giving me some sort of curl pattern that I like. But space bun on one side and it tends to stay up by itself. And then on this side, I'm going to take a tiny section at the back. In fact, I'm going to do one row. So I'll turn around and I'll show you what I mean. Hopefully you can still hear me clearly. So I've got my bottom row, and as you can see, they're kind of, this is the thinnest part of my hair. Oh wow, that's two. This is what I mean about the hair is matting together. So what I'm going to have to do is pop them to stop them from catching onto each other. So this big section here, I'm feeding my hair through, and I'm doing a two-point rotation. So my hair is in. Let me just try and show you that once, and I'm going to go from the top and then from the side. So this is what I mean about hair catching. So you need to kind of try and be careful. And make sure you're only picking up the right hair. This is what's annoying. I'm going to try and finish off these at least 2 or 3 rows up, just because that's where my hair is thinnest and that's where it's just most awkward for me to do. But I hope you get the gist of what I did there. I will come back with thicker hair that are easier for me to do and you'll be able to see it clearly. Okay, so I've done a couple at the back. I'll show you what they look like. To be honest, I think it was a lot faster than yesterday. But I'm actually going to time doing the rest. Before I get into that though, let me show you what the back looks like and then you'll be able to see how tight it is. I think on the edges, it seems like there's a lot more regrowth. So let me show you what I mean by regrowth. Gosh, can y'all see that? Gosh, let me focus. Yeah. So if I move my ear, that's at least like, oh, look at that. That's 2 inches. That's about 2 inches. When my hair was loose, it wasn't doing this sort of growth, so my ends are still fluffy, but the roots are locked well. Is it me? I love it. So let me try and do one. I can't wink. There's the one I took out. Gosh, where is it? Oh gosh. Okay, here we go. Let's do this one. I feel like I should be on the side for this. I try and gather as much hair into that as possible. All the loose hair. Feed it into the fat side. Catch it. And then I basically have that. And I hold it like this. That's terrible. Anyway. One tool that I've been using is this. Gosh, what have I done? There we go. Make sure you've only got the hair that's supposed to be in it. Down. That's a couple of rotations. Again, making sure I don't have any extra hair. If you can't tell from my face, I'm getting bored of this. I've done some at the front, some at the sides. I'm going to do a couple more, show you how that goes, and then when I get to the very front, I will come back again. So let's do a couple at the back. Okay guys, so I'm showing you me threading the interlocking needle through my hair, and again I'm going from the side. This time I'm going from left to right and then from the top to the bottom. So this is another close-up of one at the front, and as you can see here, I'm taking out any extra hairs to make sure that it's clear and the parting remains clear. I start from the side and I go in from the bottom. And I just keep on that rotation until I get close to the scalp. Not too tight though. Showing you that action again. My focus here is to make sure that the partings remain clean and I'm not pulling on any extra hair from the side. Going in from the side, again from the bottom, side, bottom until I get all the way to the scalp. And notice how I'm pushing the needle to the top of the hair, the loose hair. Alright guys, so I'm on my last 5, and this is probably the best way to show you my regrowth. Yeah, you can see that little afro. It's about 3 fingers if I stretch it out. Yeah, you can see the afro hides behind 3 fingers. So I'm gonna measure that in inches. Can I even count? Sorry. Inches. It's about 1.5. So I've had 1.5 inches of growth in 6 weeks. We'll test that out. The next retie. I don't know if I've got energy for this. I mean, I'm saying this now, but I might get really excited and decide to do it again. But anyway, let me close up and show you how to do this. So I come in with my hair, fold it through, put it in to the tool, and then take one side out. Yeah, so this can move. What's the best way to do it? Yeah, this can move along. I make sure I've got quite a bit of hair out, and then I leave it up. Let's focus on this. So I comb up, pull it through, and then I go in from the side, pull it through. Okay, I've got to loop it in again just because I dropped it. I'm going to leave it there so it's not too tight. Okay, so with this you can see hair is basically stuck together, so I've got to pop it and then pop it again. Move that out of the way. I'm going in. Same process, up, across, up, across, up. Boom. This back one. Oh, wrong way. Just have to pop that to make sure my hair doesn't connect. I think I'm gonna have to keep doing that. Done. Okay, so I'm done with all of these locks. I'm so happy. It took me longer than I expected, let me not lie. Oh gosh, let me see if I can zoom out a bit. I'll move back a bit. Anywho, they're all done. This side I had more rhythm and was definitely much easier to do. I don't know why this is folding in some weird way. Okay, I'm gonna have a fringe. Anyway, this side was much easier to do. You could check, like, I look like I got fresh braids, fresh-ish braids. The rest of my hair is still fluffy. The twists, I don't know if it's my hair texture or just the fact that it's moisturized, but my hair is coming undone on some of them. But I can't bother, I'm not doing anything, so we will see. Anywho, this is it. It's done. Gosh, goodness. Oh. This is how it looks. Let me turn around. So guys, here you can see the back. You can see that it literally looks like I've got some box braids in. I'm really happy with the results, especially for the parts that I couldn't see. I'm quite impressed with myself. Okay, so I definitely made mistakes on this side. We'll see what the repercussions of those are later. Right now I don't care. I'm just happy so far. This is long. I might do like an Insta video to explain some of the common problems that I found. So if you're not following me on Insta, please do. JustTheRealV. And yeah, I need to sleep because this is long. This was long. But thank you very much for watching my video. If you haven't done so already, please do subscribe and make sure you click on the notification bell. I'll catch you on the other side.